Dreft Stage 1 Bundle, which includes the Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Hypoallergenic Baby Laundry Detergent Liquid Soap, pack of 2, and the Dreft Blissfuls In Wash Scent Booster Beads in Baby Fresh Scent. Pros: 1. Hypoallergenic Formula. The Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Hypoallergenic Baby Laundry Detergent is designed specifically for newborns and infants with sensitive skin. Gentle and effective cleaning. The detergent effectively removes stains and odors from baby clothes while being gentle on delicate fabrics. It doesn't leave any residue that may irritate the baby's skin. 3. Long-lasting fragrance. The Dreft Blissfuls In Wash Scent Booster Beads add a pleasant and long-lasting baby fresh scent to the laundry. Both the detergent and scent booster beads are easy to use. Simply follow the instructions on the packaging to measure and add the appropriate amount to your laundry load. Cons: 1. Price. The Dreft Stage 1 bundle is relatively more expensive compared to regular laundry detergents. The cost might be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers, especially considering that it includes 2 products. 2. Scent intensity. While some people appreciate the long-lasting scent provided by the Blissfuls In Wash Scent Booster Beads, and if you or your baby are sensitive to strong fragrances, it may not be ideal. 3. Availability. Depending on your location. Overall, the Dreft Stage 1 bundle, consisting of the Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Hypoallergenic Baby Laundry Detergent Liquid Soap and Dreft